How much torque you should use when tightening toilet bolts is simple to control by feel rather than by a number. Toilet mounting bolts sit between the porcelain base and the flange, so you want to tighten slowly and evenly with small turns. Start by hand threading the nuts until they are snug against the washer, then use a standard open-end wrench to turn no more than an additional quarter to half turn at a time, alternating sides, so the bowl compresses evenly. Watch the flexible washer and the base joint. When the washer begins to flatten or you see the base sitting flush and settling toward the flange, you are at the correct clamping force. If the porcelain shows any hairline lines or you hear sharp cracking sounds, you have already exceeded safe torque, so immediately stop and back off slightly. Avoid using ratchets, impact tools, or high torque drivers because they remove tactile feedback and make over tightening easy. A torque wrench is rarely needed for household toilets. The guiding cues are washer flex, base seating, and lack of gaps or rocking. Common problems include over-tightening, which cracks the porcelain, under-tightening, which allows the toilet to rock and leak, and uneven tightening, which stresses the bowl. If you over-tighten, stop, back off a quarter turn, inspect for cracks, and if damaged, replace the toilet or the cracked part rather than forcing further tightening. If the toilet rocks, loosen both nuts, place a thin level shim of approved material under the base to stabilize, then retighten evenly to washer flex. If uneven tightening caused a gap, loosen both sides and retighten alternately in small increments until the base seats evenly and the washers compress equally. BigHomeProjects.com connects our community of homeowners and contractors around projects like this, so we can share practical tightening tips and photos of common issues. We help homeowners find local contractors and help contractors find work. And we host a discussion community where members trade experience, ask questions, and post local recommendations.